We spend our days in our busy city lives with our heads down. We forget to look up every once in a while. When outdoors, we get to do that for extended periods of time. We are Moroccans, and outdoors is our drug of choice. Imagine walking through wonderful places neither we nor anyone else before have set foot. Breaking new grounds, immersing ourselves in the middle of nature. We allow ourselves to jump, climb, observe, discover, and slide. One day we ascended a mountain and enjoyed the sight of heavens. We got to appreciate the gifts of life. When outdoors, every second counts. We learned that falling down is okay, that the important bit is to stand back up, and we have each other for that. We protect each other because we care. It is crucial to slow down. Let the important things catch up with us. Capture the essence of nature. This is when ordinary becomes extraordinary. Remember to stop the moments. Tramp in your perpetual journey. Free yourselves. Struggles are a reality, but we get to walk our way through the fog, challenge ourselves, stand high. Outdoors grants us experiences that go beyond the superficial tourist attractions. We get to connect with nature, and when we catch a break, we seek to document the charm and complexity in our surroundings, to share with everyone else. We are outdoors lovers, but throughout this journey, we call ourselves the White Walkers.